Morning. Happy Boxing Day. They do Boxing Day here too. I think what time is it now? 7:30. I've been out walking since about 7:15 because I feel like all that Christmas food and stuff. Body's not really used to it these days, so I'm quite happy to get back on the healthy eating as soon as possible, and just get back to doing what I do best really at the moment. So a couple of hours walk this morning, and then I don't know if you can see them up there. There they are. A couple of parrots. Bless them. It's all the sounds of Australia, which is it's so different to back home, to be honest. You've only got to look at all the houses as well to see the difference with this one over here. Lovely. See? And we're sort of in Swan View, more or less, I think. Or the city of Swan, anyway. So I'm about a third of the way on my walk this morning. I'm sort of walking all the way back into Midland, round to the hospital, round to my new place of work, and sort of back home again. So that gives me probably about 7 miles. It must be about 24 at the moment, which is nice. It's cooler. I think they said on the news yesterday it was the coolest Christmas in many years. I mean, because Midlands inland, it was I think it was about 32 anyway. I think the city was probably about 25. So obviously because it's coastal. So hope you all had a lovely Christmas. I'm not going to be doing much today. Jason's back at work, and I should probably do a bit of blogging and stuff. But not much else. I'm not eating a lot at all. I haven't even eaten breakfast this morning. I can't face it, and certainly not drinking alcohol. Woke up in a pool of sweat this morning. I think that's probably the alcohol. So have a good rest of the Christmas. Can't wait to get back to normal myself, and enjoy the rest of the festive season. Noisy birds. Got kamikaze flies, noisy birds. Beautiful birds though. Compared to Britain. And at least I suppose we don't have seagulls. So anyway, have a lovely day. Take care.